Got a very special treat today. Just arrived from Flexball, Italy is the brand new 2024 wireless remote control to suit the Flexball throttle control systems. Now, the amazing bits inside this box allow you to control your boat remotely for gears, bow thruster and anchor from anywhere on board the vessel in the palm of your hand. Let's have a look what's inside. So as you can see, first of all, we have the main receiver. Now this is the component that sits underneath the dash and receives the signal from the wireless remote. We've got the star of the show, the wireless remote itself, the floating hand strap to suit the wireless remote, as well as the charger, the Australian power connector, and 2 lithium-ion batteries to suit the wireless remote. Underneath, we've got the full installation manual, and then tucked in at the very bottom, we've got our cables. In here are 4 cables. The first one is our wire splitter to allow us to connect into the existing throttle control system. We've got a 3-meter extension harness so the receiver can be installed nearby. We've got our very simple power cable, and we also have here our main harness, which allows us to wire in to our bow thruster, our stern thruster and our anchor winch. So now we've got it out of the box, the next thing is to show you how easy it is for the Flexball throttle system to be connected. So here you see the receiver unit. Now this is normally placed in behind one of the remote throttle stations. So normally either in the helm or up on the flybridge is a great place to keep it nice and dry. They are IP66 rated. However, it is still a good idea to keep them nice and dry, and also mounted vertical is the best way to mount the boxes. They're very simple. They just get added in the daisy chain arrangement with the existing CAN bus cables, so they can be added into any existing Flexball throttle system. So if you own a Flexball throttle system now, very easy to add this awesome feature in. So from there, you basically have to add in a power, which is just a positive and a negative connection that connects straight in onto the ignition feed, which is the same one that you've already got powering up your actuator boxes. Whether or not you've got 1 engine or 2, it doesn't matter. And you've also got a second harness here, and this second harness here is the one that connects to your anchor winch and your bow thruster, and if you go for one of the higher model remotes, your stern thruster as well. Now I want to show you the star of the show, which is the handheld remote itself. Now this is great. It is incredibly sturdy and you can use this anywhere on board your vessel to control your boat. So let me show you how it works and the functions of it. So you've got your key on, your engines are running, same as any other system. Now all you have to do to take command on the remote is to hold down the power button for a second, the green light will flash, make sure that the red emergency stop has popped out, and hold down again, and there we go. Loud beep to tell you that the remote now has command. What we then have to do is activate the command red lights in the center to really take control. This then activates the remote so it actually will give functions. Hold down the command and you can see we get 2 red lights come on in the center, and we still have the 2 neutral green lights on either side to show that we are in neutral. Now it's as simple as moving the 2 levers, and as you can see we get gear function. Doesn't matter whether it's 1 engine, port, starboard, reverse. We can turn a vessel on a dime just by moving the 2 remote joysticks in different directions which operate the gears. Keep in mind that the WRC remote here does not operate your revs, so this is only a docking style of remote. The other functions it's got, of course, is a bow thruster if you do have a bow thruster fitted, and also anchor winch control. Now if you only had a single engine rather than a twin engine vessel, what happens is both of the buttons will activate the single engine. So this remote here is still fully functional for a single engine vessel as well as a twin. So imagine you're coming back after a great day of boating, or you're about to pull up a mooring and you want to be the one there to catch the ropes because you know you are the best person on the boat. So imagine you're on the flybridge station, you're cruising along, you come back into the marina, you throttle back, you come back to neutral, and then what you do is you can take control over with the remote. Now you can again take this up to the bow of the boat and control the movements of your vessel all the way in, so you can be there with one hand driving the boat in, which can easily be done, and then with your other hand, hook in hand, to catch ropes. It makes boating so much easier, especially when you know you're the best person on the boat. And the range on these things is excellent. I'm 30 meters away and I still have full control of the Flexball control system through the wireless remote. Now please always ensure that you are remaining on the boat at all times whilst operating the wireless remote. They're a great, reliable system. The lithium-ion batteries offer a 25-hour battery life, and they are the most robust remote system on the market to ensure that you have reliable control of your boat at all times from anywhere on board. Thanks very much for watching. Josh from THT, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.